We're here in downtown Myrtle Beach to check out Winna's Kitchen. What's happening, everybody? Beachin With The Boones here, and we're downtown Myrtle Beach to check out Winna's Kitchen, where it's fine dining, good comfort food. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching. Winna's Kitchen is located at 819 Main Street in the historic section of downtown Myrtle Beach. The seasonal breakfast and lunch menu at Winna's rotates through comfort food options with a unique twist. And because we're big on breakfast, we decided to hit one of Myrtle Beach's newest and popular hit spots. This eclectic bistro was featured on the Cooking Channel's hit show Chef Swap at the beach, where they cleverly performed a breakfast chef swap challenge with the owner and chef, Jess, which aired this past month. This cozy restaurant prepares fresh farm-to-table breakfast and lunch. They offer unique items such as bacon and egg fried rice and lemon ricotta pancakes. Winna's also offers dinner on Saturday evenings with a pre-fixed 5-course meal. But what we found that separates this place from many others is the option for patrons to help those in need. There's an option on the menu where you can order the number 1 for $5. And in doing so, it'll provide a meal for a person in need. And they even tally up your tip. Just check the box.
I'm even gonna try the strawberry mimosa. Sounds good. My kind of place, mimosas and all.
And we are located right by the zip line here, right in the heart of Myrtle Beach. Okay, so what is this?
Strawberry mimosa.
All right. You want to get it?
That's going to be a half an hour.
French toast with a side of bacon. Yummy.
What is this?
Omelet in a skillet, ham, onions, and cheese.
Yum.
And
That's the same thing, right?
Same, yeah.
Same thing, right?
Same, yep.
What'd you have?
Bacon, sausage, and cheese.
Bacon, sausage, and cheese.
And let's go see. So, what did you get, Miss Nikki?
I got the Beach Baby wrap
Yummy. Looks delicious.
with the fruit tray.
Oh, yeah.
Not good.
And here's that famous coffee that everyone brags about. And he got the same thing we did. That's some good homemade bread, isn't it, Mike?
It is. It's very good.
So this is like somewhere you want to bring your mom for Mother's Day, correct?
It's delicious.
Thank y'all. Enjoy your meal. Well, there you have it. As seen on TV, they do several competitions around the beach, and this happened to be one of them that they competed against Johnny D's in Surfside Beach. So next time you're in Myrtle Beach and you're looking for a delicious, outstanding lunch, breakfast, or brunch, make sure you check out Winna's Kitchen. Until next time, keep beaching.